Want to fit more into your shots, from epic landscapes to group selfies? Let's unlock the power of your iPhone's wide-angle camera. First, open your iPhone's camera app. You'll see a row of circular icons at the bottom, representing your different lenses. Look for the 5x icon. This is your ultrawide lens. Tapping it instantly broadens your field of view, allowing you to capture significantly more of the scene in front of you. Notice the dramatic difference. The wide-angle lens makes the scene appear much more expansive, perfect for breathtaking landscapes, architectural shots, or fitting everyone into a group photo without backing up. When photographing architecture, the wide-angle lens helps you capture the full grandeur of the building, including its surrounding environment, without distortion. For group selfies, the wide-angle lens ensures no one gets cut out of the frame. Even when you're all close together, it's ideal for fitting more friends and more fun. This also applies to video. Switch to 5x when you want to record dynamic, immersive video that truly captures the scope of your experience, like a sweeping panorama or action-packed moments. So, next time you want to expand your perspective, remember to tap that 5x icon on your iPhone camera. Happy shooting!